and welcome to everyone on my channel MJ Shorts. Today we are going to review this product, vehicle Blackbox DVR. So I'm going to unbox this product. I ordered this from Temu website. So this is called vehicle Blackbox DVR. It is full HD 1080. It has G sensor, 5 megapixel camera, video recording, photo recording, motion detection and cycle recording. Same thing here on the back side. There is the model number is A9 product car recorder. It has input voltage of 5 volts 1 ampere. This is the company, manufacturer, and made in China, of course. Alright, so let's do the opening. Okay, here you go. Oh, the packing looks really bad, I would say, but the camera is secure. This is the main product. It has a big screen, quite rectangular, not square. One lens is here. It's saying HD 1080p, and there's an space to add another camera for front facing. It already has 64 GB SD card. This is the AV input for another camera. It has mic and normal charging port. What else in the box? Let's have a look. This is a cigarette lighter charger, and the cable looks quite huge. This is another camera for front facing. We can add it. I'm not sure how many megapixels it is, nothing mentioned. This is the magnetic slot to put the camera on the screen, and the last thing is an attachment. So it will paste it here and attach this one with the camera. So I'll make a detailed review after installation. Hopefully the product is worthy. I bought this product. It was on offer for £3.64 from Temu. I think the price is almost £20. I hope you'll like the video, and I hope the video is informative to you. If anyone is interested, they can go and check it on Temu website. It's called Blackbox Dashcam. It has some buttons here. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. Yeah, but looks like it is for left, right, power on, and this is menu button probably. So I'll make a detailed review after installation. Thank you. Bye bye.